Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to get started with the image manipulation project. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your folder. You're going to go to this PC, locate the public drive. Now I'm at home, so I'm going into a different drive, but you're going to choose the public. You're then going to locate computer class, and in that folder there's several folders. You're going to go ahead and open up 8th grade. You will then right-click on Image Portfolio and choose Copy. Once you copy it, go ahead and go to your desktop, open up that computer design folder, and right-click and choose Paste. Once it's pasted, go ahead and open so you can see what's inside. So I have an images folder. I am providing some images that you can use to get started on this project. I also have a PowerPoint template for you to use, so open that up. You might have to choose Enable Editing. Whatever you do, do not change the design or the text at this time.
Trust me, you don't want to change the font at this time. Miss Clementi's going to show you something really cool later.
There will be videos talking about changing the design. If you move ahead and change the design and the text, you might run into some issues. For now, you're going to go ahead and just add before and after images to this presentation. This concludes the session on how to get started with this project and having the necessary materials to be successful. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.